What's up guys, and welcome back to my vlog. Hope you enjoyed that first vlog. I really enjoyed getting all your comments and likes and my new subscribers. That was super cool. As promised, we're going around the dam. We met up with Hilton. A banger 165k day out. Absolutely epic, and I got all the content for you. So hang around, enjoy the content, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Next week we going south. That's about all I'm saying. We got an SX SE coming up. Lacquer guys. And a massive welcome back to the channel, guys. Just stopped going some lights. It's 4:30. Omdi Dum time. Favorite rides, like I said. So stay tuned. Let's go pick Hilton up to be riding with. And yeah, let's get on the road. We'll do some talking to a little black box. So we've just left Broad Acres. We're dropping down to home of the chicken pie eventually. Sunrise is lurking, so the lighting's probably a bit cuck, but as soon as all the door pops up, we're in for magic. There it is, sunrise. Car's losing its bolts.
This huge riverbed, it's generally always quite dry.
Yeah.
To
What do those oaks do though? Would they do enduro stuff then?
yeah,
Yeah.
rock bashing on the cookies and then enduro.
Okay, we're about to pop over this little hill here. We see the dam for the first time. Woo! Guys, we made it to the dam. It's not looking as green as it normally is. I'll stop there now. You'll see this green plant seems to overtake this dam proper, but she's looking good today. Sun's out, guns out. Hyacinth is
Green
the green,
hyacinth.
that green stuff. So yeah, normally that stuff overtakes this dam proper. You can't even see it, but it seems like they've got it under control.
There was that massive rain before lockdown, that hectic storm.
Yeah.
Washed all the shit out.
Wow.
A bit broken before today.
Yeah, but she seems to be handling. No major noises. Yeah, first ride with the gimbal. That's so cool, bro. So we're coming past Van Kralens now, so I would say this is like one of the best mountain bike parks in and around Joburg and Gauteng. A lot of mountain bikers would come here on a Saturday morning, smash out some trails, don't know if you can see those mountains, but in the back of those mountains there, some amazing trails en route there. One day, got to get the mountain bike going, take you guys on a tour there. Pass through Skierpoort, I think it is, and we've got a nice 40-kilometer little gravel stretch coming up. Hope you enjoy. Yes, and we're on some gravel, using our bikes properly. So we're on here for about 40 k's, and then we at Hekpoort. Should be like a little, I'd say about an hour on this stretch. And that's the gravel sector done. Awesome little stretch. Pretty much sublime gravel, here and there a bit hectic. Off to the garage now, catch a Coke, then it's Hekpoort. And then we got Hekkies. A big, like I said, half an hour climb up to the top of that beast. We're riding out here. Now that we're in spring again, everything's nice and green. Friendly locals, all about. So, all about. Yay! So yeah, we're at the garage now, refueling, topping up. Hilton's smashing a Coke. Well, smashed the Coke. I've smashed the Coke. And then yeah, like Hilton was saying, we've got a pretty much a grind all the way up to the top of Hekkies. And Hekkies probably be about a 20 minutes, 30-minute climb. 20 minutes. Yeah, so we'll catch up on the top of that hill, I guess. Enjoy the visuals. Hope you guys understand why I said this is one of my favorite rides. I mean, look where I am. Absolutely incredible out here. Yeah, Hekpoort's taking its toll. It's a brute. Look at that, I don't know if that shows, but that's Hekkies done, thank you. Pulled off here in the shade, catch my breath, wait for Hilton.
Why wouldn't you?
Isn't that nice?
Don't you want one of these things?
No. Can you eat them? Seems we caught some roadies along the way. Yeah. Massages.
There's those food trucks there.
Hey, Brett's Hill. So we're climbing Satellite Hill. Not too long ago, buddy Brett Rogers claimed this hill. Climbed 8,848 meters. Did hill repeats the entire day and night to claim it as an Everest. So well done, Brett. 33 degrees out here. So I think it's safe to say the verdict on that ride is very epic. They've built a new shoulder all the way out to the dam on Malibongwe. So that helps. Or turn right at the T-junction. It's a bit dicey on that road, but once you hit a left, after that, once you pass Bellandaba, smooth sailing pretty much the whole way. It's been a banger ride, guys. A few more little kicks up, and then we're home. Grab a beer, grab a pool. And I hope you guys did enjoy today's vlog. Any suggestions for me or comments, leave them in the comments below. Rides you'd like me to do or possibly join you on and get you in on the vlogging action. Always keen on a new ride, new adventure. Lekker, guys. for all of you who don't know what Hekput and Skietput and Van Kralens and Oudebeersport Dam and the caves, if you don't know where any of those places are, in the comments will be the Strava link. Go check it out. And I think we've officially lost Hilton. Oops. Sorry, bro. Proper hot now. 33.9. Call it 34 degrees is what my Garmin's reading. That beer, that swimming pool, calling my name. Alright, lekker dude. It's been real. I'll see you on the flip side. Let me know when you're home, bro. See you later. Lekker. That's it. That's Omdidam. Hope you enjoyed the content, guys. We'll probably go out tomorrow again. Tomorrow Sunday. Enjoy this pool, smash a beer, and catch you guys on the flip side. Sweet.